Hi, I'm Michael Makrowitz with Coldwell Banker Realty, and I'm at my listing at 10850 East Estates in Cupertino. There is so much to love about this home. It's been pretty much completely rebuilt, a high-end home with excellent schools, but there's so much that you might miss unless you know exactly what you're looking at. So let's take a look at some of the features that make this home truly unique. So as you come in the front door, the first thing that you notice, it's obvious, you've got this beautiful, wide open concept floor plan, nicely remodeled kitchen, high ceilings, but I think the thing you might miss otherwise is, you do have this really nice gas burning fireplace, but each one of these rocks, it was brought over from Montana, hand chosen to fit this exact fireplace. So this is kind of a cool level of detail you might miss walking in the front door. This kitchen is what I love most about this house because the owners put in this quartz countertop island. It's got plenty of cabinet space, you have plenty of GFI plugs to plug in any device, and you've got high-end appliances too. So LG fridge with a window to see what groceries you need next. You've got a high-end Bosch dishwasher, and then just like this powerhouse of a stove and oven. And turning this on, this heats anything that you're gonna be cooking or getting water boiling really fast. Another cool feature, which is kind of a throwback to these homes that were built in like the 20s and 30s, but is really functional and something that the owners used a lot, was this ironing board that folds out and folds right back into the wall and is also electric heated. So you can use this when you're done, folds right back up. And off the family room, you have this perfect guest room, which could also be an office, but this bed is a Murphy bed, so it folds up into the cabinet if you wanted to have a desk or something like that. You have guests over, you have family come stay, and this can fold right out, and you have an attached, beautifully custom done bathroom. So they chose the toilet and the vanity with these 90-degree turns to fit them into the corner to maximize the space in this room. And off the master bedroom suite, you have this balcony where you can look out and enjoy the view of the hills, but you also have these 15 solar panels putting out a max output of 4.4 kilowatts. So your PG&E bill is really low. Now normally people aren't going to get too excited about the garage, but there's two features in this garage that are worth mentioning because you have these extra tall garage doors. So if you have a tall truck or a van, they can easily fit in here. And then if you have an electric vehicle, the plug to charge it is already here. Now another great feature is when you walk out the back door is that you have this patio, this paver patio with a covered pergola and then a barbecue area here. But in addition to that, you have a ton of extra storage from these storage sheds, which are brand new. And this would be great if you're into gardening, keep everything in here. You could even turn it into, little studio or office or something like that. You've got additional storage space up above and a little shelf here. So, if this is brand new, you could do anything with it. And then you've got an additional tough shed on the side yard. So this has two doors open up widely, and we're on the side yard here. So if you had, bikes or scooters or motorcycle or something like that, easily bring it back, put it into the shed, and then as you can see, you have a ton of space in here. You've got extra storage both above and in a built-in cabinet, so a lot of possibilities here too. So yes, there's a lot of details that you'll see in the listing information itself. 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, over 2,800 square foot for the home, and a lot size that's over 9,200 square feet. There is a lot to love about this home, but it's these little details that add another level of value that I don't think you're gonna find in any other home in the neighborhood.